Imagine a tiny insect that is almost invisible, yet it kills more humans every year than any other animal on Earth. Yes, we are talking about the deadly mosquito, the smallest but most dangerous creature on the planet. Mosquitoes are small flying insects that belong to the family Calicidae. Although they may seem harmless because of their tiny size, mosquitoes are considered the most dangerous animals in the world due to the diseases they spread. They are found in almost every part of the world, especially in warm and humid regions where they can breed easily. A mosquito's life cycle consists of 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Female mosquitoes lay their eggs in or near standing water such as ponds, puddles, or even small containers like buckets and flower pots. The larvae live in water and develop into pupae before becoming adult mosquitoes. This entire process can take as little as a few days under ideal conditions. Only female mosquitoes bite humans and animals because they need blood to develop their eggs. Male mosquitoes, on the other hand, feed on nectar and plant juices. When a female mosquito bites, it uses its sharp mouthparts to pierce the skin and suck blood. During this process, it can transmit harmful pathogens from one host to another. Mosquitoes are responsible for spreading several deadly diseases. Some of the most common include malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, chikungunya, and yellow fever. Malaria alone causes hundreds of thousands of deaths each year, particularly in tropical and subtropical regions. These diseases are transmitted when an infected mosquito bites a person and passes the pathogen into their bloodstream. Mosquitoes are most active during dawn and dusk, although some species may bite during the day or night. They are attracted to carbon dioxide, body heat, and certain body odors, which is how they locate their targets. Areas with poor sanitation and stagnant water are more likely to have high mosquito populations. Preventing mosquito bites is very important to reduce the risk of disease. Simple measures can be highly effective. Removing standing water around homes prevents mosquitoes from breeding. Using mosquito nets while sleeping, applying insect repellent, and wearing long-sleeved clothing can help protect against bites. In many regions, governments also carry out spraying programs and public awareness campaigns to control mosquito populations. In conclusion, mosquitoes may be small, but their impact on human health is enormous. Their ability to spread deadly diseases makes them one of the most dangerous creatures on Earth. By understanding their behavior and taking proper preventive measures, we can reduce the risks they pose and protect ourselves and our communities. So never underestimate a mosquito. This tiny insect may look harmless, but it carries some of the deadliest diseases in the world. Stay safe, stay protected, and always take preventive measures against mosquito bites.